Today I'm going to talk to you about morning routines. Let's get them down, all right? Good morning, friends. How are you? I'm so glad to see you. So much to tell you. If you don't have a morning routine that's set in place and set in stone, I'm telling you, it will make all the difference in your life if you can tweak a couple things to make this happen. If you do it every single day, it works for every single day of the week. It works for every holiday. It works for every vacation. It works for every school day, work day, out to lunch day, office appointment day, exercise day. This routine works. If you're going out to exercise, so put your hair in a ponytail, but brush your hair. Now, there is the rare occasion that I'm screwy or I slept a little too long because I had a really late night or was disturbed in the middle of the night for a sick kid or whatever. Those days, I get ready after I get the kids off to school if I wasn't able to wake up before. And that's okay because that is not the normal. That is not the regular routine. That is an exception to the rule. So that's what you want to do, is make sure that that routine is done regardless of whether you do it before the kids leave for school or after. Rare occasion, I will do it after the kids leave for school, but it still only takes me 15 to 20 minutes. So every morning I'm going to do these same things, all right? The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my bed. No matter what, I'm going to jump out of bed, I'm going to make my bed because it feels better. No matter what, you make your bed, things are good. You can always look at that as a reminder. Doesn't matter if the rest of my room is a pigsty. I assure you, sometimes it gets to be the drop zone, which I don't like and I don't believe in, but it does happen. And when that happens, even if my nightstands are stacked with books and cups and whatever I haven't taken care of, the bed is going to be made every single day. So do that, all right? Start out with that. A lot of times I'm going to meditate before I get out of bed, but meditation is a personal thing, and so is exercise. So you fit in exercising wherever in these steps that works best for you. Then I'm going to go in my bathroom, and I'm going to get dressed in my closet, which is just past my bathroom, or you have to go through the bathroom to get to my closet. And I'm going to get dressed. Almost always know what's going to happen for the day, so I know what to wear. And then I'm going to do my hair and my makeup. At which point I push play and I'm going to listen to my scriptures. It is trained, I'm telling you. I didn't used to do that. That's something I've only done for the last year. And I started reading my scriptures every single day because I was having a hard time figuring out where to do that. And that seemed to be the very best place. I already had the habit established of getting ready for the day. So it made sense to me to, while I was doing my hair and my makeup, which took no thought or effort, I could just look and do that and still listen to the scriptures and gain a lot from it. I was able to do that every day till it became a habit. Now I feel weird when I put on my makeup and start doing my hair without my scriptures. So I will grab those bad boys and I'll listen to them, because then I'm just being more productive, and that works really well for me. I just challenge you, try that. You will read your scriptures in a way you've never done before. When I get ready, I only take about 15 or 20 minutes to get ready, from curling my hair or brushing out my hair, brushing my teeth, putting on my makeup after I've washed my face, and that's all it takes, 15 or 20 minutes. If you don't have 15 or 20 minutes, oh my gosh, redo your life. If you get up 30 minutes, 40 minutes, even an hour before your kids get up, you can have your whole house taken care of, as well as being completely ready from top to bottom, head to toe, if you have that morning routine in place. Now, after I have done all this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a scrubby and I'm going to hurry and wash out my toilet. I'm going to wipe it down, and then I'm going to wipe off the sink and the mirror. Sometimes I'll do the sink and the mirror first and then wipe the toilet down. But either way, those two things are going to be done. After I do that, I go and I do the same thing in the kids. I just pick up anything that wasn't picked up and left out that I didn't catch. I'll wipe down the sink and I'll wipe down the toilet. And usually I'm going to give the tub a quick washeroo, just because it usually needs it after all these kids have taken a bath in there. I'll hang up towels or anything that was left out. Then it's done. After After I've swish and swiped the upstairs bathroom and the kids' bathroom, I'm going to run downstairs and swish and swipe the half bath down there. I'll take a load of laundry downstairs. Each day I have a different laundry, whether I'm doing my laundry, my husband's laundry, the little kids' laundry, or towels or bedding. So that's all I do for my laundry. I don't do anything else. The bigger kids, 10 and up, do their own laundry. That's been a big help for me. I'm going to start that load of laundry that I took with me. That just makes everything flow very nicely. I'm going to go to the kitchen sink and I'm going to go to the counter in the kitchen. I'm going to put away all the dishes that I had washed the night before. Breakfast with the kids, I'm going to rinse out those dishes real quick. And I am going to go feed the turtle. And then I'm going to water my garden. After I water my garden, I'm going to water the trees and my morning routine at that point is done. I'll go in the house, take a nice big drink of water because my day's not going to work unless I drink a bottle of water. And I will drink those bottles of water, probably 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They're smart water, those nice sized bottles. You can get them at Costco, and it really makes a difference. I got to stay hydrated. I live here in the desert. It's important. So I hope that you can work on your morning routine. I hope that these things are helpful for you. If you don't have your morning routine in place, I just am promising you, get that morning routine. Get up a minimum of 30 minutes before your kids, if not an hour. If you get up an hour, you may have time to set things out. You may have time to hurry and pick up some stuff. You may have time to work on a project. But whatever you're doing, make sure at least 30 minutes to get yourself ready and take care of whatever routines you need to do. If not 1 hour, your life will change. You'll get so much more done. Then when the kids are off to school or whatever is going on, you will have time to work on other things. If you have babies at home, they're going to take a nap before you know it, and you're going to have time to work on what you want to work on because your house is going to be in shape. You're going to be all beautiful, and everything is just going to run smoother. Trust me on this, please. I'm 46 years old, for crying out loud. I probably have been doing a morning routine probably more like 40 years, and it's worth it. It will change your life. Do it, all right? Take care. Have a great day. Bye. It just makes sense to me. If I'm going to go grocery shopping, if I'm going to take the kids somewhere, if I have to run errands, whatever, I'm going to have my hair and my makeup done so I don't scare everybody, okay? I mean, maybe you're super beautiful and you don't need makeup done and you can just brush your hair and look great. Good for you. But for me, I have to do those things. It's a habit and it has worked for me, and it's worth taking that extra time. And I'm not going to leave the house without it done. If you're going out to exercise, so put your hair in a ponytail, but brush your hair. So if you just want to put some lip gloss on and maybe your eyebrows or some mascara, just so that you don't look asleep like you just woke up from a zombie coma. I mean, hello, put some makeup on. We're not talking eyeshadow and blush and foundation. We're just talking some simple mascara to brighten your eyes up. A little lip gloss. It could be a light color, a dark color. It doesn't really matter. Do what works for you. It's worth it. Doesn't matter what's going on in your life. Even if something bad happens, get ready for the day. You go through those motions. It's a habit. Even if all you do is throw 2 stripes of mascara, a little bit of lip gloss, that's the bare minimum you can do. You still look beautiful doing that. Sure, you probably look pretty without makeup on too, but does it look like you tried? Does it look like you cared? Does it look like you showed up? I believe in suit up and show up. Do what you gotta do. That's how you do it. I'm telling you, it works.